Algebra rectangle perimeter problem. John has a rectangular plot of land that he needs to enclose with fencing. The length of the rectangular plot is 200 yards longer than the width. The perimeter of the rectangular plot has to be 2,800 yards. What are the dimensions he needs to use to fence off the plot?
I need to fence off a rectangular plot.
We need to notice the sentence that says, "The length of the plot is." This tells us we know what the length is but have not been told anything about the width. So we can use this information to write an expression for the length because the width must be x. If the width is x, then the length is x plus 200. Using the expressions we have written, we can label our diagram of the rectangular plot as shown. We were told that the perimeter of the plot of land was 2,800 yards. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. So our equation is 2,800 equals 2x plus 2 times x plus 200. As we move through the steps of solving the equation, we find that x equals 600. When we plug 600 in for x, we get that the width is 600 yards and the length is 800 yards. The width of the rectangular plot we will fence in is 600 yards and the length is 800 yards. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.